Welcome to the lair of the Batty Boffin.
Hi there Batty fans, it's time for a little bit of GCSE exam practice here with the Batty Boffin and Bathilda the Batty cat. Now today Bathilda is off buying some mice from the mouse shop and she's found three that she quite likes. Eek, Squeak and Quack. I have no idea why that last one's called Quack. Here are the prices of the three mice. Eek costs £80 plus VAT. For viewers who are not in Britain, VAT is a sales tax. I'm sure you have something similar where you are. VAT is at the rate of 17.5%. Squeak costs £99.50 and Quack costs £125, but he's currently on sale. So the first part of this question, please, I'd like you to work out what is the price of Eek, including VAT, and this is a non-calculator question. Okay, so no calculators allowed for this. The cost of Eek, please, when you've added on the VAT. Now, this may have caused you to panic slightly, particularly if you're not one of my British viewers. Hi there, by the way, all my viewers around the world. Because of the 17.5%. It's actually been chosen because it's quite easy, not hard. Watch with me. VAT is 17.5%. By the non-calculator method, we're going to do this by easy chunks. We're going to do a 10% and then a 5% and then a 2.5%. Those added up together make 17.5%. Okay, so 10% of our £80 is £8. 5% is half of that, £4. And 2.5% is half of that. You see why it's 17.5? So that's £2. That makes a grand total of £14 extra, so that's £14 sales tax, which gives us a final price of £94. Okay, I hope you got that. This is the standard kind of do it in your head method. Okay, so £94. Now, for part B, I'd like to know the price of Quack, please. Quack normally costs £125, but today he is on sale at 1/5 off. So, for part B, could you work out the price of Quack, please? Right, for 1/5 off, we need to know 1/5 of 125. Or to put it another way, 125 divided by 5. Okay, we can do that, if you don't happen to know it, by doing standard bus stop method. 5s into 1, none of them, and 1 left over. How many 5s in 12? 2, and 2 left over. How many 5s in 25? 5 of them. So 1/5 of 125 is 25. So when you take that sale off, that comes down to a nice round £100. Okay, I'm going to wipe down the board, then we're going to come back with part B. See you in a minute. Right, for part B, Bathilda has bought mouse Eek for £94. And after feeding up Eek and training her in maths and that kind of thing, she managed to sell her at a profit and sells Eek later on for £141. So for part B, I'd like to know, what was Bathilda's percentage profit, please? Okay, have a go with that now and we'll look at it together in a couple of minutes. Right, to work out the percentage profit, we're going to need the actual profit in pounds divided by the original number. This works out with percentage anything. If you need the percentage growth, you do the actual growth over whatever it started with. If you want the percentage loss, you work out the actual loss over whatever you started with. So in this particular case, the profit is 141 take away 94. So that should give a profit of, let's see, 47, I think. 47 over the original one, which is 94. So the profit was £47 out of the original one, 94, and that cancels down rather hideously to 1/2. 94 being double 47. So since it's a half, or in decimals, 0.5, when we put that into a percentage, it is 50%. 50% profit. Okay? You get on with that all right? I hope so. I'll see you in the next video for a little bit more exam practice. I'll see you next time, Batty fans.